Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I have a Eid get ready with me / Desi get ready with me using the new e.l.f. Retro Paradise eyeshadow palette. So you guys, today is Eid, so I just want to wish you guys an Eid Mubarak to everyone who's celebrating. I know by the time this video goes up it's going to be like a couple of days after Eid, but I still wanted to film my get ready with me for you guys. So yeah, this is a super glam look that I created. I had so much fun playing with this palette once again. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this super glam Desi makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I already went ahead and I did my base, I color corrected, and I went ahead in with my foundation. For foundation, I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Dawn. And for my color corrector, I went ahead in with the MAC Prep and Prime Peach Lustre color correcting stick. So if you guys are interested in seeing kind of how I do my base routine, I'll have a video linked down below where I show you guys in detail how I do my base. But just for this video, I went ahead and I did it off camera just to save time. So we're gonna go right ahead and jump into the eyes. I'm gonna start off by first priming my lids, and I'm just gonna go ahead in with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. And I'm gonna apply this onto my lids and just blend it out. So next I'm just going ahead in with some setting powder. I'm grabbing my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and I'm just going to set the lids. So I'm just going in with a small brush and just wiping away the setting powder. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise eyeshadow palette. I love this palette, you guys. It's so beautiful. It's got such nice colors and the quality of the shadows are amazing. I already did a tutorial using this palette as well as a full review on my channel. So I'll make sure to have that linked up here and also down below in the description. So make sure you guys check that out. So to start, I'm going to go ahead in with the shade Sandy Bum. And just going ahead in with my Morphe M433 blending brush, I'm going to start applying this color onto my crease. And because I want my eyes to look bigger, I'm placing this color just a little bit above where my natural crease is. I'm kind of creating a new crease. Just going ahead in with a big blending brush. There's no product on this brush. I'm just softening out the crease and making sure it's nice and blended. So next I'm going to be going ahead in and cutting my crease. I'm using the same concealer that I used to prime my lids. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. And for the brush to cut the crease, I'm using my Morphe M410 brush. You guys, this is the best brush to use to cut the crease. It makes your life so easy. I can literally cut my crease in 2 seconds with this brush. I love it and I definitely recommend it to anyone who's into cut creases. It's going to make your life very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, and I'm going to cut it kind of 2/3 of the way out. I'm not going to cut the entire crease. Just kind of like a half cut crease essentially is what I'm going to be doing. So essentially this is what you want to do on both eyes. So I'm quickly going to go off camera and do the other eye and then we will continue. So next I'm going ahead in with the shade Paraiso, which is this really gorgeous shimmer color right here. And I'm just grabbing this really big flat brush, and this is from my Sephora collection. And using this brush, I am just tapping on the shimmer onto the entire lid. And right now what I'm doing is I'm just placing it onto the lid, and then we're gonna go ahead in with a smaller, more defined brush to clean up the edges of the crease. So now just going in with my Morphe E35 small flat brush, I'm just taking the shimmer and I am concentrating this on the crease and just making sure it's nice and clean like that. Next, I'm going back in with the crease shade Sandy Bum, and I'm just grabbing a very big fluffy blending brush. This is from my Sonia Keshuk collection, and I'm just gonna go ahead in and start smoking this color onto the outer corners of my eyes. Next, I'm gonna go ahead in with the shade Coconut, and I'm grabbing my Morphe E17 blending brush, and I'm just blending this color onto the outer corners of my eyes, and this is going to just add nice dimension to the look. Alright you guys, so I want to take a break from the eyes and start kind of wrapping up the face a little bit. So what I'm going to do is go back in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm going to go ahead in and just conceal my face. I'm not going to put any on my nose right now because when I nose contour, I'm going to go ahead in with concealer then. So I'm just going to leave the nose for now. So I'm just going to go ahead in and blend all this out and then set everything in place with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And of course, I'm just cleaning up the edges of my eyeshadow with the concealer. So while everything is baking in place, I'm going to quickly go off camera and do my brows. So for brows, I love using the Brow product by Benefit. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead in and quickly do that off camera. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with my brows and I went ahead in and I wiped away the translucent setting powder. Now I'm going to go ahead in with some liquid liner. This is the Tattoo Liner by KVD Beauty, and I'm going to go ahead in and line my eyes. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with the eyeliner. Now I'm going back in to the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, and I want to add like a pop of color onto my lower lash line. So I think I'm going to go ahead in with the shade Royal, which is this really gorgeous blue color right here. So my dress is like a navy blue, as you guys can see, but there's also like multicolors like on the designs of the dress. So I thought I would go ahead in with this color and just smoke it out onto my entire lower lash line. So to do so, I'm just going ahead in with my Morphe E37 brush, and I'm grabbing this color and just smoking it out. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much it for the lower lash line. Now I'm going to quickly go off camera and put on some mascara and lashes. For lashes, I'm going in with the House of Lashes in Iconic. And for mascara, I'm going ahead in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Alright you guys, so my eyes are all finished and I'm in love. I love the pop of color on the lower lash line. So now I'm going to go ahead in and contour my face. I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Going ahead in with this Sonia Keshuk brush. I'm grabbing the Chocolate Soleil bronzer and I'm going to just contour my nose. So first I like to just dust the bronzer down the sides of my nose, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my beauty blender and some concealer. I just placed some concealer down the center of my nose and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm just going to place some on the sides as well. Alright, so I'm all done contouring. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on some blush. So for blush, I'm going ahead in with this Wet n Wild blush called Keep It Peachy. And of course, I'm applying this kind of higher up so that my face looks slimmer. So for highlight, I'm going ahead in with the Becca Champagne Pop highlight. So I'm going to apply some of this highlight just onto the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm also applying some, of course, on the high points of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Just going back in with my beauty blender, and I'm just going to press this highlight into the skin. And the last thing I have to do is my lips, and I'm just going ahead in with the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. And for lipstick, I'm going ahead in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for my Eid Get Ready With Me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video from me. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.